In this video, we'll go over the activation process for your new VOSKER V150 camera system. Before you begin setup, we recommend that you test the coverage of the location you'll be placing your camera. You can verify coverage for your model at www.vosker.com/coverage or by physically visiting the location. Now let's take a look at the contents of the box. Your V150 camera system will come with a 16GB micro SD card, charging cable, battery unit, mounting hardware, and instructions. There are a few important things to consider when setting up your camera. Step 1 will be to fully charge the battery unit of the camera system. Use the provided USB cable to charge the battery with a standard USB charger. Plug the charging cable directly into the battery. The battery must be charged apart from the camera. When the charge is complete, the LED will turn green. A 24-hour charge is recommended. There will be a few more steps before putting the battery into the camera unit. You will now want to install the VOSKER app onto your mobile device. You'll be able to control your camera remotely using a smartphone or tablet for a wide variety of features and functions. You can find the app by searching VOSKER in Google Play or the App Store. Complete installation of the app. Now, open the panel on the bottom of the camera. Insert the micro SD card into the card slot. The next step is to activate your camera. Start the VOSKER app and select Activate a new camera. Select the model V150. Locate your SIM ID number and barcode inside the battery case door on the back of the camera. Scan the barcode with your phone's camera with the VOSKER app when prompted. Choose the type of surveillance you are going to do with your VOSKER security camera and enter your personal information. Your camera is now activated and you will receive a confirmation email and text message. You can now set your desired transfer settings under the Settings tab in your app. When you first start your camera, you will see different LED colors flashing on the camera for a few seconds. The camera will be ready when the LED is completely off. Now that activation is complete, head over to vosker.com and watch our installation video to see how to navigate settings and properly install the camera system. While you're there, view our full line of accessories available for the V150 to make your site even more safe and secure.